Okay, like I said, we'll be solving this problem again. This is number 3, and believe on what we have done before. It's just a continuation of Futo test question 2019 to 2020. So from here we are asked to show if y equals to x over exponential x, we're asked to show that second derivative is equals to that. Okay, so what this thing simply means is for you to differentiate this 2 times. Okay, and know whether you can get this. So firstly, we have that y is equals to x all over exponential x. So the only thing we can use to differentiate it is by quotient. Okay, so the only thing we can use to differentiate it is by quotient rule. So from here, we have that first derivative dy dx is equals to exponential x dot 1 minus, that is, keep v and differentiate u, which is this, minus keep u and differentiate v, which is still exponential x, all over v squared, which is exponential x all squared. Okay, that is first derivative. So from here, dy dx is equals to exponential x minus x exponential x all over exponential 2x. Okay, obeying the power law of indices, we multiply the outside powers. So this will give us, factor out exponential, we have exponential x in the bracket of 1 minus x. Factor out exponential x, here we have it all over exponential 2x. So one of these will pull out one of these. At the end of the day, what we have is dy dx is equals to 1 minus x all over exponential x. So this becomes our first derivative. Okay, so we apply quotient rule again. We apply quotient rule again, and that will give us that the square y dx square is equals to keep v exponential x, differentiate u, we have minus 1, 0 times we have minus 1, minus keep all this function 1 minus x, differentiate this, we have exponential x all over exponential 2x. You know what I mean? Exponential x all square. So the square y dx square is equals to exponential x minus exponential x, and this time this will give us minus exponential x, and this time this will give us plus x exponential x. Okay, so all over exponential 2x, all over exponential 2x. Okay, all over exponential 2x. So from here we have that the square y dx square is equals to, what can we factor? This and this will give us minus 2 exponential 2x. Sorry, minus 2 exponential x. Okay, this minus 2 exponential x plus x exponential x all over exponential 2x. Okay, so let us factor out exponential x. Let us come this side. Factor out exponential x, we have that the square y x square is equals to, factor out exponential x, we have exponential x, addition is commutative, you can write that one first, bracket x minus 2 all over exponential 2x. This will cancel this, we have x minus 2 all over exponential x. Therefore, the square y dx square is equals to x minus 2 exponential minus x. We have shown it. Okay, so what this thing simply means is for you to differentiate this 2 times. Okay, we have done that. We obtain the first derivative, which is this, from here we apply quotient rule again and obtain the second derivative. Place this is exponential s in the bracket of minus 1 minus 1 minus, this is, so that you can see it clearly, this is in the bracket of 1 minus x exponential x. That is what is there. Okay, then if you open bracket with this minus, minus times this will give you this, minus times this is plus times this will give you this. Okay, then you factor out this stuff.